Hello friends, welcome to Codeboard. So in the last video we saw some basics of HTML. Now let's see what all you need to start with the development of a website in HTML. So HTML is very simple and all you need is a text editor and a browser to start coding. So I'll show you an example here. So this is one simple example, and to develop a web page like this or even a website with 2-3 web pages like this, all you need is a text editor. So this is my text editor where I have written my code, and this is the browser where you can see the output. So text editor and browser is all you need. For Windows, you can use Notepad that comes default with Windows. As you can see, I have used Notepad here, and for Mac, you have TextEdit. Now, as I said, you can work with Notepad, but there are some advanced text editors like Notepad++ and Sublime, which will help you code in a better way. So let's see how. Now, if I open same code in Notepad++, so you can see the difference here. Notepad++ allows proper formatting of code and also the use of colors for different attributes or different tags makes code easily understandable. And in this way it is easy to develop the code using Notepad++. Same is with Sublime. So this is why I prefer Notepad++. You can easily download it from internet. So let's see how. So go to Google Chrome or any other browser and type download Notepad++. You can simply open the first link, and from here there are various versions available. So click on the latest version or any other version that you want, and then based on your PC configurations, simply click on the download button. Here our latest version of Notepad++ is downloaded. Now to install it, open, and now all you have to do is just follow the next steps. So yes, we are choosing English language, so okay. Then by clicking on the next options, we come to the final step. In this way, you can download and install Notepad++ and start using it for HTML coding. In the next video, we'll see how to actually code on Notepad++ and run our code on browser to display a web page. Another option is to use an IDE such as Eclipse, that is Integrated Development Environment, which are designed specifically for coding. And you can use the same for HTML also. So in further videos, we are also going to see how to use IDE as well as text editors for coding in HTML. But to begin with, you can use text editors like Notepad or Notepad++. So go ahead and download it, and if you face any issues, do mention them in the comment section below. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this video. Thank you.